So your minivan's interior sliding door handle has gone completely limp. It just flops back and forth with zero resistance, but the door won't open. The fix is almost certainly simple, free, and takes about 10 seconds, because this symptom is caused by the secondary safety lock being engaged. A snapped cable feels very different. You'd likely feel a gritty sensation, or the handle would be stuck solid. That totally loose, disconnected feeling is the key clue. It means the handle's linkage is no longer physically connected to the latch mechanism. This safety lock is a purely mechanical system, designed to work without any electricity. Its purpose is to disable the interior handle, which is useful if you're hauling bulky cargo that might shift and press against it. When you engage that lock, it physically rotates a small bracket inside the door. This bracket shoves the end of the interior handle's cable, a thin steel wire in a flexible sleeve, just a few millimeters out of alignment. Now, when you pull the handle, the cable moves, but its end is swinging in open space instead of pulling on the latch release. The handle is, effectively, connected to nothing. The fix is right on the surface, and you won't need any tools. Start by opening the sliding door from the outside using the exterior handle or the button on your key fob. Get it fully open so you can access the entire rear edge of the door. Now look closely at that rear edge, right near the main latch assembly. That's the U-shaped metal part that clamps onto the post on the van's body. You are looking for a single, small lever or slide switch. It's often recessed to prevent it from being hit by accident, and may have a small icon next to it, like a simple diagram of a lock. It will only have 2 positions. All you need to do is flip that lever to its opposite position. It's a mechanical switch, not a delicate button, so use firm, confident pressure. You should feel a distinct, solid thunk or a firm click as it moves, and the internal linkage re-engages. Once you've flipped it, test the interior handle while the door is still open. You should immediately feel the tension is back. The handle will now have a firm, springy resistance, and pulling it will operate the latch correctly. That's the entire fix. Ignoring this simple check can lead to a needless repair bill. A shop, seeing a non-functional handle, might assume an internal failure. They would likely quote you for 1 hour of labor, just to pull the entire interior door panel off to diagnose the cable. But the problem was never inside the door. You would be paying for a diagnostic process and potentially parts you don't need, all because of a simple switch that was overlooked. Understanding the exact symptom saves you from paying for someone else's assumption. Always check this one lever before you even suspect a broken cable.